In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Google account or Gmail account permanently. Yes, I'm talking about the actual delete process, or you can say account closing process of your Gmail account. I'm not just talking about removing it from your smartphone. So stay tuned. In just 1 minute, I will show you how you can do it with your smartphone. Okay, so the first step over here will be to open your Gmail app on your smartphone. After that, on your top right corner, you will find a circle or a logo in which the first letter of your name or Gmail account will be written. Click on that at the top right corner, that circle, and over there below the Gmail ID, you will find manage your Google account option. Click on that and a new tab will open. Over there, you can manage everything about your account. So once you open it, there will be many tab over here. So the third tab is data and personalization. Click on that and scroll down. Over there you will find a option delete a service of your account. So click on that. The third option will be delete a service on your account. Click on that option, which will be in data and personalization tab. Once you click on that, the second option will be delete your Google account. So click on the blue section over there, delete your account. Once you click that, you will be asked your password. So enter your Gmail ID password. For deleting your account permanently, you will need your password, obviously. So I will enter my password, and the next step will be the acknowledgement, or you can say 2 check boxes that you will have to tick. This will be a short confirmation or a declaration from Google that following things will be removed. You can say your YouTube subscribers, your YouTube, Gmail, everything which is connected to your Gmail account will get removed, and all the data will get erased. So check on these 2 boxes and click on delete account. So obviously I don't want to delete my account, so I will just show you like this. And once you click on this, your account will get deleted. Make sure to check these 2 boxes and then click on the delete account button. Once you do this, and make sure to read this, of course, because there are so many things that is related to your Gmail account, obviously that all data will get erased. So this is a short process, and once you click on delete account, your account will get deleted.